So now we're going to move on to another example. We're going to try measuring this dry erase board. Okay? And if you girls can't see, you can just come on around if you need to. All right, I need you guys to help me how to measure to the closest foot. Okay? The closest foot, that's how we're measuring. Are you ready? How do we start again? Yes, Carson.
At the very end of the board at the very first line.
Okay, very good. Then what?
Put our handy dandy clip right there.
Okay, then we have our handy dandy, and then what?
Then we move it to the end of the clip.
Okay, then we move it to the end of the clip. Very good. Then what?
Then we move it again.
Okay.
It is 3 feet.
It is about 3 feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's still a little bit short, but we are measuring what? Closest to the
feet.
Foot.
Foot. Oh my
Closest to the foot. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, ready? You can return to your seat. Thank you for the help. Okay. Oh, I always need great helpers. All right. So now we're on to, I have one more thing before we get ready. I want to see if I can trick you. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. I want to know if you can measure your pencil in feet, please. How many feet is your pencil? Measure your pencil. How many feet is your pencil?
My pencil is 7. My pencil's only 7 inches.
7 inches? So, what's the problem?
Wait, there's not 12 inches. And 12 inches goes into 1 foot. So we can't make 1 foot.
So we can't make a foot. So then how do we have to measure a pencil?
In inches.
In inches. That's correct. That's right. Sometimes when we have objects that are smaller than a foot, we have to measure in a smaller measurement, such as inches. Those are the only 2 measurements we've learned so far in 2nd grade. So we've only learned inches and feet. So later on, you might learn some other measurements that you can try, right?
Right.
Very good. Okay, so now let's try one more activity. This time, we're going to use the tape measure. Remember, we've been measuring with the tape measure with inches. Now we're going to see how easy it is to measure in feet with a tape measure. Who would like to help me?
I want.
Okay, how about you, Cameron? You have been waiting so patiently. All right, Cameron. We're going to see about how many feet it is from the top of the doorway all the way to the floor. I am going to start the measurement, and I'm going to let you finish it since you're my great helper. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
It's about 7 feet.
About 7 feet. That's right. It's a little bit less than 7 feet, but we're going to say it's about 7 feet because we are measuring closest to the foot. That's right. So now we know these nice little red markers are feet.
Every foot.
Are feet on a measuring tool, like the tape measure. All right, good job. All right, now, does anyone have any questions so far? No? All right, well, those power hats are sure burning bright today. I don't even think we need lights in this room.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are there any more, measurements you could use in what we're learning about?
There are other measurements, but in 2nd grade, you're not quite ready to learn them. So for right now, this is what we're going to learn. We're learning inches and feet. And tomorrow, we might have another surprise. Okay, so here we go. For our activity today, everyone will get a partner, and I am going to be passing out, everybody's going to get a sheet like this. And on the sheet is going to be a list of the things that you and your partner need to measure.
Can I write my name on it?
Sure you can. That will be great. Also, partners today are going to be the person that is across from you. Okay? So here's your partner. All right. What you're going going to do is you're going to measure each of those objects. Everybody has a ruler, so you can choose to measure everything with a ruler, but I would like you to choose one object to measure with the tape measure. We only have 3 tape measures, so we'll have to share them amongst our class, okay? So you guys have to kind of move along the room and choose your measurement carefully, okay? All right, so let's get started. I'll be walking around and answering questions and helping you. Yes, Carson, do you have a question?
Oh, no, that's good.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.